Hi, I'm Sarah Keogh. I'm a dietitian and I'm talking nutrition tips as part of National Workplace Wellbeing Day. Today we're looking at eating out in relation to work. So a lot of us are bringing our own food in, but sometimes we're going out maybe for a sandwich, for a meal, or we might have dinners in the evening related to work. So how do we balance that out? Because it can run into eating more calories, more food than we might normally do. So one of the first things to look at is portion sizes and amounts. If you are eating out, do you really need starter, main course and dessert every time? So maybe we can pull back a little bit on that. It's also very important to make sure you get your vegetables in. That's something that's often missed. Sometimes vegetables come on the side, you might need to order them separately, or you might need to just pay a little more attention to what's coming in there. And as we mentioned in some of our other tips, your vegetables or salad do need to make up about a half of your meal, so try and keep that rule in mind even if you are eating out. Sandwiches can be fantastic, but it's useful to look for sandwiches that have fillings that include salad and vegetables as well as the protein. And if you can keep in mind portion sizes and making sure your vegetables are coming in even when you're eating out, it'll go a long way to helping you to get your healthy nutrition goals. Stay tuned for more nutrition tips as part of National Workplace Wellbeing Day. And if you would like to sign up your workplace, go to fooddrinkireland.ie/wellbeing.